training video, we are going to look at the Google Form feature Go To section based on answer. This is a very helpful tool in the classroom as well as within the community. So with teachers, maybe for professional learning or for parents or for, like I said, collecting feedback from the community. It's a very helpful tool, and I'm sure you'll see many uses for it after we look at it. Go to section based on answer is literally what it's called. After you submit a certain response, then it will either go to the next section or force someone to end the form. So let me show you how that works. Let's pretend like now we have to add a question first in order to have it go to a next section or in the form for us. So I'm going to go to the plus button to add a question, and I'm actually going to move that question up. You can just drag and drop questions. And I'm going to pretend like, I know this is not something I would usually do, but I'm going to ask students, if this is their quiz, did you read your life cycle information last night for homework? And I can say my answers are yes or no. And it does have to be multiple choice. If you don't make it a multiple choice question, you will not get that option. And then you're going to come down here to that skinny snowman for additional options. And you're going to say go to section based on answer. So I'm going to pretend like if they say yes, I want them to go ahead and go to my section 1 of the life cycles quiz. And so it'll go there. And then if I said no, then I want their form to be submitted. So I know they didn't do their homework last night. And so I want them then instead to probably go and actually read it. And so that's just one of the uses. And really, I should have shown you how to also add a section because right now I think that this section 1 is really just going to make them take this quiz over again. So let me show you here that bar that's adding a section. And so now that I added a section, I'm going to call this now life cycles quiz questions. There we go. And so now, hopefully when I come up here, you'll see, there we go, the questions, there we go, because the actual quiz is them actually getting started. But section 2, so after that question, which is automatically section 1, is the actual quiz questions that I have for them to take. And so that's important to add that section to separate your different sections. And you can have as many as you want. And then they can go to a section based on their answers. So this has been a quick tutorial on go to section based on answer. Remember, to do that, you have to create sections. And then you have to create a question. And when you create the question, it has to be multiple choice, and you go to the skinny snowman to turn on that feature go to section based on answer. Thank you so much for watching.